Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of welding helmets to bring you the best options for 2023. Whether you're a professional welder or a DIY enthusiast, we've got you covered with the top picks that offer optimal safety, advanced features, and unmatched performance. Stay tuned as we unveil the ultimate welding helmet choices to enhance your welding experience like never before. Number 5. The SafeUp MIG-MAG TIG True Color Welding Helmet is a high-performance choice that redefines welding protection. This auto-darkening welding helmet ensures exceptional safety for your eyes and face, shielding against sparks, spatter, and harmful radiation. The auto-darkening filter intuitively shifts from a light state to a dark one upon striking an arc, effortlessly returning to the light state when welding halts. Distinctively designed with a turnover headband mechanism, this helmet minimizes fatigue by aligning the helmet's gravity center with the welder's head center, significantly enhancing comfort during work. Its rapid auto-darkening capability impresses, transitioning from clear to dark in an astonishing 1/25,000 of a second as welding begins. Further customization is offered through the dark-to-clear delay adjustment and adjustable sensitivity settings. When welding concludes, the filter screen seamlessly shifts from dark to light based on your preset per delay time. The SafeUp MIG-MAG TIG True Color Welding Helmet harmonizes safety, comfort, and efficiency, making it a wise choice for professionals seeking top-notch welding gear. Number 4. The Welding Helmet Welder Mask Chameleon offers top-notch features that ensure both safety and convenience. Constructed from high-quality PE material, it stands strong against falls and high temperatures, providing excellent heat insulation and preventing facial burns. This durability ensures a longer service life. The automatic dimming function, powered by a high-sensitivity detection head, delivers optimal eye protection. It provides a clear field of vision before dimming, facilitating precise welding positioning. Upon dimming, it instantaneously blocks harmful light, thus safeguarding eyes from potential damage. The mask's adaptability is evident through its adjustable design, allowing easy flipping and headband customization for a snug fit. The added thickened forehead sponge ensures protection, sweat absorption, and anti-slip comfort. Providing comprehensive protection without compromising visibility, this mask boosts welding efficiency. The specifications like a 5 meters visual distance and 108 by 50 lens size, along with its PC material construction, underscore its quality. In conclusion, the Welding Helmet Welder Mask Chameleon combines superior materials, thoughtful design, and practical features for a safe and efficient welding experience. Its high-quality construction and user-friendly attributes make it an essential tool for welders. Number 3. The Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet or Welding Mask True Color redefines welding protection. Powered by a combination of solar cells and replaceable Li batteries, it ensures continuous operation. The stepless adjustable sensitivity offers tailored eye protection. Its rapid 0.1 millisecond switch time and auto-darkening feature keep your eyes safe from sparks. The view area of 98 by 87 mm guarantees clear vision during welding tasks. Its true color technology ensures accurate color representation. With 4 arc sensors and low battery indicator, safety is paramount. Constructed with nylon material, this helmet is lightweight yet durable. It's CE and RoHS certified, conforming to EN 379 1/1/1/2 and EN 175B standards. From its solar-powered operation to its true color technology, the auto-darkening welding helmet/welding mask is a well-crafted welding gear offering exceptional eye protection, comfort, and accurate vision for welders. Number 2. The Solar Automatically Battery Electric Welding Mask is a remarkable choice for welders seeking efficient eye protection. This auto-darkening welding helmet boasts an optical class of 1/1/1/2, ensuring impeccable clarity. The viewing area of 94 by 43 mm guarantees precise vision during tasks. With UV or IR protection at DIN 16, it offers optimal safety. Its versatile light or dark state ranges from DIN 4 to 9 to 13, catering to various welding conditions. Backed by 2 arc sensors and powered by solar cells and a replaceable CR2032 lithium battery, it's both reliable and energy efficient. Switching at an impressive 1/25,000 s and with a customizable delay time of 0.1 to 1.0 s, this mask adapts to your needs. It even accommodates grinding tasks. Its low TIG amps rating of 10 ampere, DC, AC, adds to its versatility. The solar automatically battery electric welding mask stands out as a well-engineered solution, providing welders with safety, efficiency, and adaptability in their tasks. Number 1. The Auto Darkening Helmet with Adjustable Range is a welding gear designed for professionals who prioritize safety and precision. This solar auto-darkening welding helmet boasts an optical class of 1/1/1/2, guaranteeing superior clarity. The viewing area of 93 by 43 mm ensures accurate vision during tasks. With UV/IR protection at DIN16, it offers top-notch eye safety. Its light/dark state transitions smoothly from DIN4 to 9 to 13, catering to various welding needs. Supported by 2 arc sensors and powered by solar cells alongside a replaceable CR2032 lithium battery, it's a reliable and energy-efficient choice. Boasting a swift 1/25,000s switching time and a customizable delay time of 0.1 to 1.0s via an internal knob, this helmet adapts to your preferences. It even accommodates grinding tasks. Its low TIG amps rating of 10 ampere adds to its versatility. In summary, the Auto Darkening Helmet with Adjustable Range impresses with its optical quality, adaptable features, and focus on safety, making it a dependable choice for professionals in the welding field.